Welcome back to Bright Disney, and today we're doing 5 rides in Disneyland that I think, are on the chopping block, because we did just have the recent announcement of Splash Mountain being rethemed, and that surprised me, but I'm just trying to think of other rides that could be rethemed or just closed and then just make a new ride there. So the first ride we have, as you can see, is Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. The reason that this is on the list, by the way, these are in no particular order. The reason this one's on the list is it's just from Ichabod and Mr. Toad, which is not a very popular movie, and it is one of the less kid-friendly rides in the parks. So, it's kind of scary. So, I think it would do... It's already closed in Disney World. This is the last remnant. So, I think it is really likely that this one will be rethemed or just make a new ride in this area. The next one on the list is Pinocchio's Daring Jury. This one basically has the same... This one, I would say, is less likely than Mr. Toad, but still likely because it's or they just tone down the scariness like they are doing with Snow White's Scary Adventures, because this ride's pretty scary for young children. And yeah, so it is actually the only Disney ride with the curse word. So that is a fun fact. We're all about fun here. This is one of our shorter ones. The next one on the list is Winnie the Pooh, The Adventures of Winnie the Pooh in Critter Country. I would not have said that this one would be likely to be rethemed, because until a few weeks ago when they announced the retheming of Splash Mountain to Princess and the Frog. Princess and the Frog, it might fit Critter Country, but it fits New Orleans Square really well. So they might just expand New Orleans Square. And where would that leave Winnie the Pooh? It would just be Winnie the Pooh Land at that point. So I think they have to retheme like all of Critter Country or try to make the Princess and the Frog work. But this one I can see very likely being rethemed. Number 2, we have Gadget's Go Coaster in Toontown. This one, I just feel like it's from Chippendale Rescue Rangers, which is not a very popular, like it was popular back in the Disney afternoon days, but it is kind of losing its appeal. It's already a very short ride, but it takes up quite a bit of space. The ride only lasts like 30 seconds. And the queue, I always go by the queue, and there's only like 5-10 people in line. But it has a 20-minute wait because it just takes so long, even though it's such a short ride. It doesn't make much sense. So I think they should just... Not even a retheming, just make a new track there or something. But I think this one will be and the last one, also in Toontown, is Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin from Who Framed Roger Rabbit, which is not a very popular movie. And Toontown just... I see this one anytime with Fast Passes. It's like... I look at all the other rides, and it's like till midnight, and it's like 5. This one, I see, and it's at like 5 still. It's like I can get this one 15 minutes before. It's not very popular. I feel like I can ride it at any point, and I feel like a retheming would do this one good. I'm not saying it's a bad ride. I love this ride. I just do think that it is very likely for a retheming. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I also made a video earlier about my thoughts and opinions on the Princess and the Frog. So if you want to watch that, you can go watch it. Thank you for watching. Bye.